And now, Fox 34 Your Health.
In order for a vaccine to actually work, there must be enough people with a defense against COVID-19 to prevent its rapid spread. That's how doctors have eliminated other diseases from most parts of the world. Dr. Oz has a look at what it takes to consider a population immune in today's COVID-19 News Minute.
Today, I'm tackling the buzzword we've all been hearing about, herd immunity. It's definitely a little confusing, so let's get to the bottom of it. If enough people have immunity to a virus, it will stop spreading widely. That's because there aren't enough uninfected people anymore. And there are two ways to get immunity, right? People get sick and recover, or by vaccinating. Some argue by allowing COVID-19 to spread naturally, we can achieve herd immunity faster and end this pandemic sooner. But the truth is, COVID-19 is too lethal to let it run rampant. Some experts believe 60 to 80% of the population needs to be exposed to this coronavirus for herd immunity to take place. So we're talking about 200 million more Americans getting COVID-19, and that means 2 million more Americans could die. Nearly 10 times as many deaths as we've already had. That's obviously too great a loss. All lives are precious. That's why practicing social distancing is so important right now. We can't let this virus spread like wildfire, blazing a path of destruction among our most vulnerable. I'm Dr. Oz. This has been your COVID-19 News Minute.